Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, fail to read description, error code 2 for background services in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to disable fast startup. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Turn the switch off or turn on fast startup. Click on save changes. Now this should help a lot with this issue, but if it doesn't, then perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution will be to uninstall any conflicting apps. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and then select installed apps. Wait till the list loads. Now let's say that Copilot is a conflicting app, then uninstall it and let it be removed from the system. Greenshot can be a conflicting app. Remove it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.